Preparing your shop or garage for a new car lift is the same whether you're getting a 2-post lift, 4-post lift, low rise, or anything in between. In this video, we will cover the 5 things you need to know to have your space properly prepared and ready to receive your new lift. The first thing you need to know is whether or not your concrete floor is good to go. Shop and home garage floors may come in different concrete thicknesses and pressure strengths. If you don't know your concrete floor specifications, you may need to have it tested by an engineer. Different lifts have different concrete requirements, and generally speaking, the heavier the lift, the thicker the concrete needs to be. Know what your space needs before an installer shows up with your lift. If you need to put down additional concrete or redo your flooring, it's best to do so before the lift is delivered. You can find concrete floor specifications for each model on Benpak's website at www.benpak.com/floor. Next, you'll need to know your dimensions. Measuring your available space accurately and knowing its dimensions ensures your lift will fit nicely in its new home. Make sure you have at least the minimum floor space and vertical clearance for the lift of your choice. Ample ceiling height and side-to-side clearance is a must. It's also a good idea to plan for extra room around your lift to give you enough space to work and move around. All lift measurements are available at benpak.com. The third thing to know is electrical requirements. Make sure you know the right electrical hookups for the car lift of your choice as well as the power unit location. Some power units run a 110 volt power, but others require a 220 volt source. You'll also need to be careful not to overload any circuits. All of the electrical requirements as well as amperages are available on our website. Keep in mind that most units do not ship with an electrical plug. We highly recommend contacting a local electrician to determine the best method for hooking up your electrical connection. This will ensure your lift's power unit runs as smoothly as possible. Fourth on the list is knowing if you need an air supply. Many lifts use a pneumatic system to disengage the safety locks. Make sure that you have a sufficient air supply available if you plan on installing a lift with one of these systems. The necessary air requirements for each lift are specified in their manuals, which are always available to download from the Benpak website. The fifth and final thing to know is, will you need an installer? While we all know you're capable of installing your new car lift yourself, we highly recommend that you find and hire a certified installer to handle your lift installation. Not only does it make the process much easier, you'll also rest assured that the car lift was installed properly. In some cases, the installers can even accept delivery of your lift and bring it over on your scheduled install date. You can find a full list of Benpak certified installers in your area by visiting www.benpak.com/locator. And that's it. If you can check all the boxes from this video, congratulations. You know your garage is ready for its new lift. If you need any other help planning for your lift, just contact a Benpak product specialist and we'll get you squared away. Thanks for watching.